Hello everybody, it's me Max, and today I'll be showing you how to make pizza. For our pizza dough we need 1.5 cups warm water, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar. Stir well. Then add half teaspoon salt and stir well. Then add 1/4 cup of oil. Then put the mix into the mixer bowl. Then add 4.5 cups of flour. Then start the mixer on the first speed. After everything has mixed together, then increase the speed. Mix it for 10 minutes. Now our dough is ready. Then divide the dough into 3 equal parts. Then make the pieces into a sphere shape. We will put it in a pan and we will cover it with plastic wrap. Then we will put it in the refrigerator for 10 to 20 minutes. Then we will spread it with a rolling pin, as you see. We will put it in a pan brushed with oil that is 30 centimeters. With one hand we will stretch the dough, and with the other hand we will press on the dough, as you see in the video. We will press on the edges like you see in the video. Then cover it and let it arise. Then we'll repeat the same process with the 2 other spheres. For our first topping we need a hot pan with some oil. We will put tiny chicken breasts and we will stir well until the color has changed. We will add 1 small onion and then we will stir for 1 minute. And we will add 1 minced garlic and we will stir for a couple of seconds. We will add salt, black pepper, and paprika, and now our topping is ready. For our second topping, we need homemade meatballs made from ground beef, onion, garlic, salt, and black pepper, and turn it into small spheres. Then put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Then we will fry it in hot oil, as you see. Now our topping is ready. For our sauce, we need half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon basil, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix them and add them to 340 grams of tomato paste. Then add a little bit of water to the sauce and mix well. Now our sauce is ready. With a fork, we'll poke our pizza, as you see. Then we'll put our sauce on it, as you see. Then we'll spread a little bit of cheddar and mozzarella cheese on it. Then we'll put the chicken topping which we made before. Then add some slices of green pepper. Also add a little bit of tomato slices. Add some slices of onions. A little bit of olives. And add some cheese on the top. Put it in a heat oven at 450 degrees. Once the color of the crust is golden, then turn on the broil. It takes 15 minutes in the oven, and this is how it looks like after it came out of the oven. Repeat the same process with the other pizza. After we put the meatball, we will put some vegetables, and on top we will put some cheese. This is how it looks like after it came out of the oven. For the third pizza, we will put pepperoni for the topping. This is how it looks like after it came out of the oven. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.